paid, sir.
Oh, okay, so we didn't pay you yet?
No, sir.
You're gonna need a new bar hammer. I wanna make your day better. Bro, this cuts better than a chainsaw. What's up, you guys? Andre here with Jack of All Trades. I'm currently on my way to go help Hammer out with the cleanup job. He said he doesn't have access for the excavator, so he wanted me to bring my mini skid steer. We're about 20 minutes away or so, and then we also have to go grind the stump after that job. These guys out here hustling. I thought you said you had no access for the Mini X.
I don't.
You don't?
Nope.
Why'd you still bring it?
To drag all the stuff up here. Because you'll see what I'm talking about in a second.
Okay.
That works.
Come on, bro. You guys been hustling out here already? So last time you were out here, it was pouring, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm surprised they got dried up pretty good already, though.
Well, fortunately, this is like compost stuff, so it packs in pretty good. But you can see,
yeah,
all this is garden. All of this. And right there to back there, where the tracks were back there, all that was brush. We hand drug it from over there to here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We hand drug it.
Yeah, he hand drug it.
He hand drug it?
Down. So we'll need to move these.
Oh yeah, it's tight.
Come in here. Come in right here.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be tight, but yeah, mini skid's gonna be perfect.
Yep. And then we'll roll the logs down so you can grab them.
Oak tree, huh?
This is a maple.
Maple?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, we took down 1, 2, we took down 3 trees.
It'll be a packed down trailer for sure. If I can come in with the grapple from that side, I might be able to pick it up, or we can at least cut it.
Well, I don't want you to drive over this stuff either.
Oh, this?
I'd rather you not. I just don't want to, you see how it's already sloped down a little bit? I don't want to mess it up any.
I mean, the tracks won't fit unless we move a couple bricks.
No, I don't want to move bricks, that's what I'm saying. Because once you move these, you have to re-level out the bottom and hoist it down here.
Okay.
And then you can hop on your mini skid and start just running.
All right, I'll go get the machine.
All right.
This is gonna be a little interesting. This is tight. can barely clear my grapple, we'll have to cut that one in half. It's not gonna clear through the trees.
Okay.
I noticed it. Take a break? Yeah. Okay.
good?
I'm good. Is it your birthday today, bro?
Yeah.
Really? Happy birthday. I was like, Facebook told me it's your birthday, but I wasn't sure. All right, I'll give you a big discount.
I'm 57 years old.
57?
I don't know. Stuff is so expensive nowadays.
I want to make your day better.
Hey, my day's already great. The Lord is good. I can't complain. Spike up it hard. Don't.
Yeah, I'll go off the backside.
Easy spiking, and
So I can literally reach around.
Don't dig into the concrete.
Concrete.
yeah, that either.
Or the tree.
All right,
But
I try to stack them easy so you could grab them pretty simple.
yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and start running those back and forth.
it hits the pine tree over there, and I don't want to rub the bark off whenever it's extending on that side. Really?
It was massive, dude.
You guys got it loaded up this morning?
Yeah, we got here at about 8 a.m.
What happened to your arm?
Oh, dude, last week, it's finally going away. From here down on both arms, they were completely swollen and red like that step. Not that red, but poison ivy. Worst poison ivy I've ever had.
Dang, that
dude,
sucks.
It was bad. It, like, they were so swollen. I had creases like that all the way down my arm.
Dang.
On both arms.
How you doing, Josh?
She's trudging.
I'm getting ready for lunch.
This ground over here is so soft, it's crazy. Really good topsoil though. This is the sprinkler right here. I almost ran over. Like, my tracks were clearing right here. Thankfully I didn't break it. Looks like I'm all done here. Very nice property. I really love when people have botanical gardens. Not really a botanical garden, but for a homeowner, this is definitely one. Where's lunch?
I don't know. We're probably just gonna stop and grab something real quick because we got another job we gotta go to.
My next job is gonna be stump grinding. That's why I brought that machine, but I still have a little bit of time, so I'm a bit early because we knocked out this job pretty quick. So what I'm gonna do is go grab some lunch with them and then come back because they have to grab the Mini X. Where do you want to eat, Josh?
I always go for some Mexican, bro.
Mexican?
Always.
Okay.
It's your trouble, by the way.
You grabbed it from my truck?
Yeah.
I have 2 jobs.
Wow. That's good. I like it when your youngsters are working, but 2
Oh, yeah.
jobs, I wouldn't expect that. But
No?
Oh, and that one is that's a lot of work.
I'm running on 2 hours of sleep right now.
oh, goodness.
He's in training on climbing trees. So
You'll learn more about character than you will about cutting trees with this guy right here.
okay. Well, once I get all this stuff up, then I'll come up and talk to you guys so
All right.
we can get paid, sir.
Oh, okay, so we didn't pay you yet?
No, sir.
That's a new one. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get through here. If I fall down, just pick me up.
Oh, man.
Absolutely.
Aim me up this hill.
See where that?
I think these big ones are down here.
He's awesome.
Yeah.
Dude, he broke his back like twice and he just had surgery on it again. And he's out here pruning, cutting this stuff back. He's bending over,
Wow.
moving stuff.
Some people don't give up.
No, but that's what keeps him going, you know?
Yeah.
Especially at older age. Right here. Or actually, right here.
You made a lot of work for us
Did you guys plant all of this?
back in the day,
How long you guys been here?
34 years. The
Beautiful.
jungle of bamboo when we moved.
Wow.
Pull her down. How could you leave that, Josh? You didn't even cut that, huh?
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that.
Don't you lie to him like that.
Look at me. You're a good man.
Thank you.
And he knows you're a good man. A fig tree or blueberries or something over there.
Blueberries will
Could
be
we?
blueberries will be great right
Well, see,
there.
we have blueberries down there, but now there's so much shade. I'm telling you, we did not have big trees like this
Yeah.
when we moved here.
Oh my goodness.
I can't believe she has to run this stuff over.
Yeah, they're weeds technically, but
Really? There's some beautiful weeds then. Wow, he sunk in pretty good over here, but the excavator pushed right through. This is soft.
So we're gonna back your truck up, then back the trailer up. I'm gonna run up it, pop it off.
Are you excited to go back to work, Hammer?
Oh yeah.
It's always a good day when you're making more money.
Well, it helps me out because it's gonna pay for one of you guys for the day. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna run up it, set my lifeline up high, and then rappel and swing over.
I love carrying mosquito spray out here because they are wild. Should have started spraying it at the beginning of the job.
a little different one I got there.
Josh, you want some mosquito spray?
Actually, sure. Appreciate it.
Bro, you should take some, Hammer.
I'm good, bro.
It's worth it, bro. Trust me. You need it. I mean, they eat you here.
Oh yeah. Dang, dude.
It's because there's a swamp right there.
Yeah. I think Hammer got new tires on his truck. Oh yeah, he definitely did. That's some real good thread.
time me?
Yeah, I can. When did you get new tires on your truck, bro?
About a week and a half ago.
How much were they?
They were like $3 grand.
$3 grand for 6 tires? Why is it so pricey?
Because they're Nitto trail grapplers, and they're gonna last a long time.
I sure hope so for $3 grand, bro. Wow. Dualies ain't cheap to maintain.
Nope. Well, I also got bigger tires too. Did you
What are
notice
they?
that? 37s.
Really?
Yeah.
You ain't playing around, huh? Timer on. Oh, wow, you're already up there?
I'm gonna speed climb this one. Watch your head.
All right. Josh, how long do you think it's gonna take Hammer to get the job done?
29.
29?
29 flat.
He said 30. I'll go 25 minutes.
25, he's gonna fall out of the tree.
Oh yeah.
Or do you want to hold on to it?
You would haul it off?
Do you want to get rid of it?
Yeah.
It's got a couple holes in it already, so it's pretty much a goner. Hammer, you can upcharge her for the scrap metal haul off.
Huh?
You can upcharge her for the scrap metal haul off.
Are we hauling off metal?
Yep. Does it have fuel in it?
Yeah, I just filled it up.
Okay.
Hell no.
No? Gotta fuel it up.
Yes.
Stand clear, Andre.
Hey, get this off.
You're gonna need a new bar, Hammer.
Yep.
Got her pretty good. Did you hear that, Hammer?
What?
The neighbor down the road wants a quote for some tree removal.
Awesome.
Can you do that today?
Can you
I
do
can
that
give him a
today?
quote today, yes.
Yeah. That's what I meant, not the work.
Is there another saw on the truck?
We didn't know we were doing this today.
I got a sawzall on the truck that we could use a sawzall. How many more branches are you cutting?
Take it off this side.
Oh, that's gonna be quite a bit of branches.
Yep.
Usually I carry a chainsaw on the truck, but I didn't think I need one today, so I didn't bring one, but apparently it would have been helpful. Milwaukee chainsaw, 8.0 forged battery. Let's see what it can do. Brand new blade. The only good thing about this is you don't need any ear protection. Bro, this cuts better than a chainsaw. We should make a company named Sawzall Tree Service. Bro, this thing eats. I'm impressed. Undercut. It even works for that, bro. Heck yeah. Man, I can't believe I came up with that name. I gotta trademark it. Sawzall Tree Service, you can't beat it.
by anything anymore. He's just dropping it all. After the 201 got injured, you will be impressed. Cut those branches. that should not work. We might make 29 minutes after all. Dude, 25 is kind of close. We're at 24:30 right now.
Maybe if you didn't break this chainsaw, we would have had it.
A chainsaw down here, so he's like, I can take 20 more minutes taking this down really gentle, or we can go home at some point today. We're at 28:40.
30 minutes by the time you're down.
Done in 20 if that crap didn't happen with the chainsaw.
Yeah, I said 25 minutes. I would have been right. Why'd you have to break your chainsaw, Hammer?
Hey, you know whose fault it is?
Whose?
It's Josh's fault. I'm looking.
And it doesn't get stuck. You see that, Hammer? Cut it all down. You're taking forever, Josh. Don't hit metal. I can hit it. You can't.
It's going pretty much good.
Yeah, it is. Sawzall work, baby. You okay up there, Josh? It's hot? Not bad. The reach is beast on that thing. Hey Josh, I'm gonna put this right here for you.
Please tell me it's heavy.
It's heavy.
Thank you.
It's very heavy. I can't even lift it, so I have to roll it.
I don't know what's gonna happen when we're gone.
I had to go move another pot for her. I guess we missed one. All right, you're good. I guess I'm probably not gonna go to lunch with you guys anymore.
Yeah. All right.
All right, this is the stump we're gonna be working with right here. It looks like they tried to burn it before, drilled holes in it, but it's still here. Sucks that we have the water line right here, right next to it. I really wish I didn't forget to bring my guard, because I'm actually hauling away the mulch and now it's just gonna spread everywhere. You guys try to burn it?
I did, and unsuccessfully, as you see.
Yeah.
I thought it would kind of, but it did not work. 3 attempts, believe it or not.
Homeowner's like, look what I got going on over here. All right, we will. Let's check it out.
So it was literally just a hill. And the majority outside of
That's
the
a lot of
cement-
concrete.
Yeah, outside of the cement, I did everything on myself.
That's awesome.
But yeah, the whole goal is to get all this construction.
You bought them all from like bags?
No, well, I started to, and then I found a landscape company that delivered.
Okay.
Much on me. Yell if you need me.
Cool. You happy with this right
Yes,
here?
no, I'm actually very happy with that.
Okay.
I'm actually, as soon as I'm done, I'm gonna fill it.
All right,
As soon
great.
as I'm done.
See you, man. Take care. Have a good day. As you guys see, this job is all complete, cleaned up. I'm about to head out of here. Honestly, this is probably the easiest $250 I have ever made stump grinding. I actually got paid $260. The customer gave me a little tip. I ended up completing a total of 3 jobs, which honestly is pretty good in my opinion for not even a full day's of work, to be honest. The first one was a quick and easy couch removal. I told the customer it'd be 140 bucks if I have to remove it from inside the house, but if he has it out on the curb, it's gonna be 120, and he had it out there. And I'm not surprised, because once I got there, that thing looked like it was from IKEA, super light. We tossed it in, he even gave me a hand. And then I went and I did that job with Hammer. I ended up charging him 200 bucks because it's his birthday. I want to make sure I hook him up big time because he's a great guy. Very good friend of mine, to be honest. So we always do our best to take care of each other. And then we obviously went to take care of that stump, which was some easy money. And now we're going home, baby. How you girls doing today? You want to come out? Today is chicken maintenance day for me, so I'm gonna unload my equipment, throw the mulch somewhere over here on the ground, let it decompose, and then I'll go clean up their coop. These chickens right here live like queens. Fresh ground, fresh water, more food, new bedding, living that good life. This right here is gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this content, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.